Good morning, student. Now we are moving on to the second unit. The unit name is Accounts of Non-Profit Organization. We'll see what is the meaning for not-for-profit organization. So it means their aim is primary service to the public, not earning the profit. The main aim or objective of the organization is service is primary, profit is secondary. So, what are the organization for this types of not for organization? So, what are the organization for this types of non for organization? Some organization are established for the purpose of rendering service to the public without any profit motive. So they may be created for the promotion of art, cultural, education, sports, etc. So this organization are called not for profit organization. So I will give some example for not for profit organization, charitable institution, education institution, cultural society, sports and recreation clubs, hospitals, library. So these are some of the example of not for profit organization. They are also called as not profit organization or non-trading concern. So the aim of the organization is only service to the public without earn any profit. Okay, how they run without money? These types of organization is particularly serves to the public. So what are the way are getting the money to run these types of organization? Now shall we see the features of not for profit organization? First point, not for profit organization or the organization which function without any profit motive. You know very well, without any profit motive, the not profit organization will be run. The main aim is to provide service to the specific group or a public at large. So generally they do not undertake business or trading activities. Their main source of income includes subscription from member, donation, grant in aids and legacies. So subscription is nothing but not for profit organization usually collect the subscription from their member. These may be collected monthly, quarterly, half yearly or yearly. So this kind of terms they will collect the money. Okay, so what is donation? You know very well about the donation. So in some particular things they will give the donation amount for sports a tournament like that. Okay, next grant in aids. So grant in aids means organization may receive from forms of grant from government or other organization. So next one is legacy. Legacy is kind of property. Okay, final account. So that means profit concern. What type of account they will be open means first one is receipts and payment account, second one is income and expenditure account, third one is balance sheet. So this three kind of account they will be maintained in a not for profit organization. So what is the meaning for receipts? So what are the amount received by the concern? It is called receipt. So what are the amount paid by the concern? It is called payment. So next one is income and expenditure account. Okay, so income means receipt, expenditure means payment. Second point is income and expenditure account. So expenditure means payment. So under payment we will be having capital expenses, revenue expenses, deferred revenue expenses. So in receipt side we'll be having capital receipt and revenue receipt. So this have been read in 11th standard capital and expenditure chapter. Okay, so So capital receipt is comes under the balance sheet. Revenue receipt is comes under income and expenditure side. So at finally we are going to see the balance sheet. You know very well, to know the financial position of the organization, we are creating the balance sheet. Okay. Now we'll see the receipts and payments account. Receipts and payment account is a summary of cash and bank transaction of not for profit organization prepared at the end of each financial year. So they will prepare only at the end of the financial year. It is a real account in nature. You know the rules for real account. Debit what comes in, credit what goes out. Third point is all cash receipts and cash payments, whether of capital or revenue nature, will be recorded in receipts and payment account. So in debit side, cash receipt will be shown. In credit side, cash payment will be shown. Okay. And next, business. In business, money will come in. In business, money will goes out. So that means debit side, the business money will come in. In credit side, the business money will goes out. Steps in preparation of receipts and payments account. So first in debit side, we have to record the opening balance of cash in hand and bank balance. Credit side, bank overdraft. Second point is receipt. That means debit side cash receipt will be appear. In credit side payment, cash payment will be appear. No distinction need to be made between revenue and capital items. Also current, previous or further years. So this receipts and payment will be having a current year amount or previous year amount. So whatever it may be have to be recorded in this. Okay. Fourth point, if the total of the debit side is more than the credit side, the balancing figure will be appear on the credit side. So that means the total debit side, so the balancing will be comes under closing balance of the cash or bank. Okay. Next, the fifth point is the if the total of the credit side is more than the debit side, the balancing figure will appear on the debit side. It represent bank overdraft. So that means the bank overdraft will be appear in the debit side. So this is the format of receipts and payment account. So in receipt side, we'll be having two balance brought down, cash in and cash at bank. So revenue receipt and capital receipt. So they have divided as a revenue and capital. So you don't worry about revenue or capital receipt. You just enter whether that is receipt or payment. Okay. So in under revenue receipt will be having subscription, entry fees, general donation. In receipt side will be having subscription, entrance fees, general donation, grantinates, sale of old newspaper, interest on investment, dividend, locker rent received, sundry receipt. So under capital receipt, life membership fees, donation for specific purpose, legacies, endorsement fund, sales of fixed asset, sales of investment received for specific purpose or fund, interest on specific fund investment, to balance carried on. That means bank overdraft. Okay. So in payment side, by balance brought down, bank overdraft, that means bank balances. Okay. So in credit side, that will be opening means a closing will comes under the debit side. Okay. So in debit side, true balance brought down, cash in hand and cash at bank means it comes under closing balance, which comes under credit side of the payment side. by balance carried on cash in hand and cash at bank. So in payment side, revenue payment and capital payment. You know very well, in debit side we have to substitute as a to, credit side we have to substitute as a by. Okay, this payment and receipt account have to created on both the side, debit side and credit side. Okay, double side of the account sheet. Okay, revenue payment, salary, rent paid, electricity charge, postage, rent and rates, insurance, advertisement, telephone charges, entertainment expenses, audit fees, repairs, upkeep of ground, convenience charges, newspaper and periodicals, office expenses, gardening expenses, sundry expenses. So under capital payment, fixed asset, investment, repayment of loan. Then carry down. Your opening will be in the debit side, means carry down will becomes under credit side. Okay, so this is the format. Kindly by heart this format very well. Then only you will able to substitute the sums. Okay. Take page number 43, illustration 1. From the following particulars of Tamil Educational Society, prepare receipts and payment account for the year ended 31st March 2019. They have given the question: opening cash balance as on 1/4/2018, 18,000, rent paid 6,000, scholarship given 15,200, entrance fees received 18,500, building purchased 2,10,000, staff salary 55,000, subscription received 2,65,000. Now we are going to see the solution for this sum. Okay, now we'll see the solution for the illustration 1, page number 43. So this is the format. Debit side we have to write receipt, credit side we have to write payment. The heading in the book, they have given in the book of Tamil Educational Society, and second heading they have substituted as a receipts and payment account for the year end 31st March 2019. But I have combined and write in a single line, receipts and payment account of Tamil Educational Society as on 31st March 2019. Okay, shall we start the sum? So in debit side, as in the format what in debit side is given, to balance brought down. So opening cash balance as on 1/4/2018, that means cash in hand. So to balance brought down, cash in hand. So cash in hand is 18,000. Then rent paid. Rent paid means paid. Okay, you have paid the amount. So by rent paid, what is the amount is 6,000. Okay, next thing is scholarship given. So scholarship given also they have paid. Scholarship. So scholarship given also they are giving some scholarship to some person. So that will be a paid only, payment only, 15,200. Next, building purchased. So that also will come under payment side. You just want to know whether that will be a receipt or payment. You have to classify it and enter the receipts. Receipts amount all comes under receipts and payment amount all comes under payment side. Okay, 2,10,000. Next, entrance fees received. So they have received some amount. Okay, so that comes under debit side. 2, entrance fees 18,500. Then staff salary. So salary they have. So that also will come under payment side. So they are paying some amount to the staffs. So salary. So that will be 55,000 comes under payment side. Okay. Next they are giving subscription received. So subscription means is kind of a subscription. So in a non-profit organization, some member have to pay some subscription amount. Okay. So that's will come under receipt side. 2,65,000. Okay. So as usually, okay, see whether the carried on amount is given. Okay, it doesn't given means we have to find out that. Okay, so we are going to find out which side will be the greatest amount. So debit side will be the greater amount. So what is the amount? 3,05,500. So that amount have to substitute it as both the side. So next in this side one amount will be shown. So from that you're going to minus it. So that will be the balance carried down, cash in, and okay, 15,300. So this is the answer. Okay. Take page number 71, exercise 1. From the information given below, prepare receipts and payment account of Kurunje Sports Club for the year ended 31st December 2018. So they have given the question. So like illustration 1, you have to do this sum as a homework. Okay. Take page number 43, illustration 2. From the following particulars of Tiruchi Educational Society, prepare receipts and payment account for the year ended 31st December 2018. So opening cash balance as on 1/1/2018 20,000. That means cash in hand. Okay. So next investment made 80,000, honorarium paid 3,000, donation received 80,000, audit fees paid 2,000, locker rent received 12,000, sale of furniture 5,000, general expenses 7,000, postage 1,000, subscription received 10,000. So take page number 44. Now we are going to do illustration 2. Receipts and payment account of Tiruchi Educational Society as on 31 December 2018. Receipts and payment. Okay. So first thing is in the question they have given opening cash balance. So opening cash balance means to balance brought down. Okay. To balance brought down, that means cash in hand 20,000. So next they have given the investment made. So investment made means it comes under payment side. Okay. So by investment made, the amount is 80,000. Next donation received. So donation received will come under receipt side. Donation received 80,000. Next honorarium paid. So that comes under payment side. 3,000. So the next one is locker rent received. It comes under receipt side. Locker rent received. So 12,000. So next audit fees. It comes under payment side. Audit fees 2,000. Next one is general expenses. So That also will come under payment side. General expenses 7,000. The next one is sale of furniture. So it will come under receipt side. Sale of furniture 5,000. The next one is subscription. So subscription will come under receipt side. Subscription 10,000. So at last postage will come under payment side. So the amount is 1,000. So now we are going to calculate the carried on amount. So in debit side it will be cash in hand, means in credit side also the balancing figure will denotes cash in hand only. Suppose cash at bank means it denotes cash at bank. Okay, so by balance carried down, so what will come here? Cash in hand. So as usually now we have to see whether debit side is greater or credit side will be the greater. Debit side is the greater amount. So that will be 1,27,000. So you have to substitute on both the side 1,27,000. So here you will be getting 93,000. 93,000. So 1,27,000 minus 93, you will be getting 34,000. So this is the balancing figure. Take page number 71, exercise 2. From the information given below, prepare receipts and payment account of Coimbatore Cricket Club for the year ending 31 March 2019. Bank overdraft 1/4/2018 6,000, cash in hand 1/4/2018 1,000, wages paid for ground maintenance 2,000, subscription received. So totally they have given the subscription amount is 10,500. Wages yet to be paid at 2,200. Interest on loan paid 2,000. Honorarium paid 2,800. Water and electricity charge 700. Match expenses 2,600. Sports material purchased 1,900. Match fund received 5,200. Legacy received 2,000. Cash balance 31/3/2019 3,000. Donation received for pavilion 2,000. So exercise 2, do it as a homework. Take page number 44, illustration 3. From the following particulars of Chennai Sports Club, prepare receipts and payment account for the year ended 31st March 2018. So they have given the opening cash balance as on 1/4/2017 10,000, and they have given the opening bank balance as on 1/4/2017 15,000. That means cash in hand and cash at bank. So interest paid is 5,000, telephone expenses 7,000, upkeeping of ground 22,500. That means they are maintaining the sports club ground. For that they are maintaining that amount 22,500. Life membership fees received 5,500. Bat and ball purchase 13,000. Subscription received last year, that means 2016 to 17 4,500, 2017 to 2018 65,000, current year amount is 65,000, and subsequent year, that means 2018 to 2019 5,000. Total subscription received 74,500. Tournament expenses is 12,500. Tournament fund received is 15,000. Closing balance of cash, that means cash in hand 31/3/2018 5,000. So take page number 44, illustration 3. Receipts and payment account of Chennai Sports Club as on 31st March 2018. Receipts rupees, payment rupees. So first in the question they have given opening cash balance as on 1/4/2017. So that means two balance brought down. We have to write it in a receipt side. So two balance brought down. So they have given the cash balance and the bank balance. So cash amount is 10,000. Bank amount is 15. Totally 25,000 we have to substitute in the outer column. Then they have given interest paid. So interest paid means it comes at payment side. Okay. By interest paid. So the amount interest paid amount is 5,000. Next one is telephone expenses. So it comes under payment side. Telephone expenses. So telephone expenses 7,000. So next is unkeep of grounds. So unkeep of grounds also comes under payment side. Unkeep of ground amount is 22,500. The next one is membership. So life membership fees received 5,500. So that will come under receipt side. To life membership fees received. So 5,500. Next one is bat and balls purchased. So it comes under payment side. By bat and balls purchased. So 13,000. Next subscription received. So it comes under receipt side. So the 3 years amount you have to write it. Okay. Subscription received 2016 to 2017. 4,500. 2017 to 2018. 65,000. 2018 to 2019. 5,000. So totally 74,500. So next they have given tournament expenses. So it comes under payment side. Tournament expenses. So tournament expenses amount is 12,500. So next one is tournament fund receipt amount is 15,000. Okay. 15,000. Okay. Now at last they have given the closing balance of cash. So we are going to find out only the closing balance of bank balance. Okay. So by balance carried down, cash balance they have given you 5,000. So now we are going to add both the side. We are going to add which side will be the greater amount. Debit side is the greater amount. That amount is 1,20,000. Okay, that we have to going to substitute on both the side. So in credit side you will be having 60,000. If you total it means you will be having 60,000. From 60,000 minus 5,000. So you will be getting bank balance 55,000. Okay. Did you understand? From 1,20,000, if you minus 60, you will be getting 60,000. From that 60,000, the closing balance cash 5,000. If you minus it, means you will be getting the closing bank balance 55,000. So this is the balancing figure amount. Okay. Take page number 71, exercise 3. From the information given below, prepare receipts and payment account of Madurai Mother Teresa Magalir Mandram for the year ended 31 December 2018. Cash balance as on 1/1/2018. Bank balance as on 1/1/2018. Sale of old newspaper, stationery purchased, audit fees paid, entrance fees received, sundry charges, scholarship given, interest on investment, fire insurance premium paid, subscription received, furniture purchased, purchased of newspaper, depreciation on furniture, cash balance as on 31/3/12/2018, convenience paid, sale of furniture. So third sum exercise, third you have to do it as a homework. Number 45, illustration 4. From the following particulars of Pumbuhar Literary Association, prepare receipts and payment account for the year ended 31st March 2019. So in this, they have given the opening cash in hand and they have given the bank overdraft. So opening cash in hand means you have to substitute it as a receipt side to balance brought on cash in hand. And in credit side, bank overdraft means in payment side you have to substitute as a by balance brought down bank overdraft. Okay. So next, printing and stationery, interest paid, sale of investment, purchase of refreshment, outstanding salary, it won't comes under receipts and payment account. Why? Because that will be yet to come. So that cash outstanding salary means yet to come. So in receipts and payment, this item is called a non-cash item. And depreciation also is comes under the non-cash item. Accrued income, these three things, it won't appear in the receipts and payment because it is a non-cash items. Next one is endorsement fund receipt, lightning charges, subscription receipt, repairs and renewal, conveyance paid, book purchased, insurance premium paid, sundry receipt, government grants received, sale of refreshment, depreciation on building, it won't appear in the receipts and payment account. And they have given the cash at bank on 31/3/2019. So the cash at bank, it will come under the payment side, credit side. So by balance carried on cash at bank 2000, we have to substitute. Okay. Take page number 45, illustration 4. Receipts and payment account of Poompuhar Literacy Association as on 31st March 2019. Receipts and payment side. First, they have given the opening cash in hand as on 1/4/2018, 5,000. So, going to substitute on debit side to balance brought down cash in hand. So cash in hand is 5,000. Next, bank overdraft as on 1/4/2018. So that will come under the payment side by balance brought down bank overdraft 4,000. So next one is printing and stationery. So that will come under the payment side by printing and stationery 1,500. Next, they have given the interest paid amount, that also will come under payment side. So interest paid. So interest paid is 3,250. Sale of investment. So sale of investment means that will come under receipt side. So to sale of investment. Sale of investment 1,000. So the next question is purchase of refreshment. So purchase of refreshment is comes under payment side. By purchase of refreshment 1,500. So the next one is outstanding salary. That will be a non-cash item, so it won't be appear in the receipts and payment account. Next, endowment fund receipt. So that will become under debit side. Endowment fund receipt 2,000. Next, lightning charges. So lightning charges will come under payment side. Lightning charges 1,300. Next, subscription received. So it will become under receipt side. Subscription received 20,000. Next is repair and renewals. So repairs and renewal will come under payment side. Repairs and renewals 2,500. Next is conveyance paid. So conveyance paid also will come under payment side. So 2,750. Next is book purchased. That also will come under payment side. Book purchased. Book purchased is, what is the amount is 10,000. So the next one is insurance premium paid. So this also will come under payment side. Insurance premium paid. So the amount is 4,000. So next, sundry receipt. Sundry receipt will come in receipt side. Sundry receipt 750. Next one is government grants received. That also will come under receipt side. Government grant received 6,000. Next one is sale of refreshment. So that also will come under receipt side. Sale of refreshment 1,500. Next one is depreciation on building. So this won't be appear in the receipts and payment account because that is a non-cash item. And finally, they have given the cash at bank on 31/3/2019. 2000. So balance carried down by balance carried down. So they have given only the cash at bank. So we are going to find out the cash in hand. So 2,000. Okay. So debit side will be the greater amount. So 36,250 both the side. Okay. So debit side will be the greater amount. You're going to substitute on both the side 36,250. So in credit side, up to insurance premium paid from bank overdraft to up to insurance premium paid. That means 4,000, 1,500, 3,250, 1,500, 1,300, 2,500, 2,750, 10,000, 4,000. If you add means you will be getting 30,800. From 36,250 minus 30,800, you will be getting 5,450. From that 5,450, you're going to minus the closing balance of cash at bank 2,000. So if you minus it means you will be getting 3,450. That's your balancing figure. So cash in and so cash in hand 3,450. This is your balancing figure. Okay. Page number 72. Exercise 4. Mailadurai Recreation Club gives you the following details. Prepare receipts and payment account for the year ended 31 March 2019. Opening cash balance, opening bank balance, donation received, sale of old equipment, refreshment charges, club annual day collection, construction of tennis court, receipts from charity shown, rent paid, salary of watchman, club annual day expenses, lightning charges, entertainment expenses, billiards table purchased, expenses of charity shown, sale of investment, closing cash balance. So exercise 4th also you do it as a homework. Take page number 46, illustration 5. From the following particulars of Velur Recreation Club, prepare receipts and payment account for the year ended 31st March 2017. Opening cash balance as on 1/4/2016. Opening bank balance as on 1/4/2016. Furniture purchased, sports equipment purchased, donation received for pavilion, sale of old tennis balls, newspaper bought, traveling expenses, receipt from entertainment, admission fees received, municipal tax, expenses of charity shown, billiards table purchased, construction of new tennis court, receipt from charity shown, closing balance of cash in hand. So take page number 46, illustration 5. Receipts and payment account of Vellore Recreation Club as on 31st March 2017. Receipts and payments. So first question they have given opening cash balance as on 1/4/2016 3,000. So in debit side to balance brought down, cash in hand 3,000. Next cash at bank 12,000. So totally 15,000 outer column. We have to substitute in a outer column. Next they have given furniture purchased. Furniture purchased will come under payment side. Okay. Buy furniture purchased. So 11,000. Next is sports equipment purchase. So this also will come under payment side. Sports equipment purchased. Amount is same 11,000. Okay. Next is donation received for pavilion. So this will come under receipt side. Okay. To donation received for pavilion. So the amount is 8,000. Okay. Next is sale of old tennis ball. The sale of old tennis ball also will come under receipt side. To sale of old tennis balls 1,500. Newspaper bought. So newspaper bought means so comes under payment side. So what is the amount? Newspaper bought is 500. Next one is traveling expenses, also will come under payment side. Traveling expenses 4500. Next question is receipt from entertainment 20,000. So this will come under receipt side. Receipts from entertainment 20,000. Admission fees received. This also will come under receipt side. Admission fees received 1,000. Next is municipal tax. So this will come under payment side by municipal tax 22,000. Expenses of charity shown. So this also will come under payment side by expenses of charity show 2,000. Billiards table purchased. This also will come under payment side by billiards table purchased 15,000. Next is construction of new tennis court. So this also will come under payment side by construction of new tennis court 18,000. Next is receipt from charity shown. So this will become under debit side 2,500 receipt side. Receipts from charity show 2,500. So closing balance of cash in hand. So this will become under payment side by balance carry down cash in hand. So 8,000. So now debit side and credit side. Which side will be the greater amount is credit side. So credit side you will be getting 92,000. That should be shown on both the side 92,000. So from 92,000 if you add this and all you will be getting 48,000. So from 92,000 minus 48,000 you will be getting 44,000. So that is your cash balance. So cash balance amount, balancing figure. So that means to balance carry down bank overdraft. Okay, this is your balancing figure. Take page number 72, exercise 5. From the following information, prepare receipts and payment of Kudalur Kabaddi Association for the year ending 31 March 2019. Opening cash balance 1/4/2018. Bank overdraft balance 1/4/2018. Bank overdraft mean favorable. Okay. So next, stationery purchased, traveling expenses, dividend received, general expenses, admission fees, courier charges, municipal tax paid. Next one is interest and bank charges, miscellaneous income, upkeep of ground, grant from government, telephone charge paid, endorsement fund receipt, insurance premium paid, electricity charge paid. So closing cash balance 31/3 2019. So fifth exercise also do it as a homework. Students, kindly finished from exercise 1 to 5 sum. I have given you homework. Kindly finish it and send it in WhatsApp. Thank you, students.